Electrical concept. Today, discuss very important topic, frequently asked for exam, all electrical instruments made by transformers. 1. Transformers is made by thin silicon steel laminations. 2. Core of transformer is made up of soft iron. Transformer cores are constructed from low-carbon steels. 3. Transformer cores are laminated with silicon steel laminations. 4. Transformers windings made. Materials: copper or aluminium conductors. 5. Transformers typically have tanks made of steel or aluminum. Closing parenthesis. 6. Conservator of the transformer, there is an air cell made of NBR material. Motor, generator, others machine. 7. Yoke. The outer frame of a DC machine is called a yoke. It is made up of cast iron or steel. 8. In AC motors, laminated silicon steels are used to make stators. 9. The rotor is made of high-quality steel, aluminum, cast iron, titanium, nickel, and cobalt alloys. 10. The stator frame consists of laminations of silicon steel. 11. Cast iron is used for machine bodies. 12. Armature core is made of silicon steel laminations. 12. Armature wiring is made from copper or aluminum. 13. Enameled copper wire is used for generator, motor winding, and field windings. 14. The segments of the commutator are usually made of copper and are separated from each other by mica insulation. 15. Brushes are made up of carbon and graphite to reduce the wear and tear of the commutator. 16. Slip rings, typically made of high-quality phosphor bronze. 17. Bearings made of chrome steel. 18. Motor shafts are made within either cold-rolled (CRS) or hot-rolled steel (HOURS). Others. 20. Kettles are typically made with stainless steel but can also be made from copper or other metals. 21. Soldering iron tips, bit, are made of a copper. 22. Chisels are made from high-carbon steel or chrome vanadium steel. 23. File are made of high-carbon or high-grade cast steel. File is a piece of hardened steel. 24. The modern hammerhead is typically made of steel. 25. Knife blades have been made from copper, bronze, iron, steel, ceramic, and titanium. 26. Drill bits are typically made of high-speed steel, high-carbon steel. 27. The materials used to make pliers consist mainly of steel alloys with additives such as vanadium or chromium. 28. Screwdriver is made up of steel which consists of iron. 29. Battery is made up of a combination of materials like zinc, anode, manganese, cathode, and potassium. 30. Most primary alkaline cells are made using zinc as the anode material. A variety of cathode materials can be used. 31. Electrolytic capacitors are normally made from one of three different materials: aluminum, tantalum, and niobium. 32. Silicon is, by far, the most common semiconductor material used in solar cells. Any questions? Comment box is yours. Thanks for watching video.